Our most recent music video was for a song entitled British Weather, and the concept involved performing the song in lots of different environments, each with a different weather condition. Of course, for British Weather, we had to have a rain scene, and we wanted to make it something really special, so decided to build a rain machine to really enhance the effect. We built the frame out of lightweight wood and secured it with screws. It's important that this frame is light because it's going to be suspended above your talent, but it also needs to be strong because it needs to support the weight of the hose and the water as well. You're going to need a lot of cable ties for this, and the first step is to make sure the end of the hose is closed securely. With that done, you're then going to want to lay your hose around the frame in ever increasing circles, and making sure about every 20 centimeters or so you're securing the hose down to the wood with cable ties. With the hose attached, we then drilled small upward facing holes in it, leaving a gap of about 15 to 20 centimeters between each hole. Now it's time for the big test. We deliberately left extra length at the end of the beams to make it easier to hoist up and mount. We then used 2 heavy-duty light stands secured down with sandbags, lots of little think tank red whips to secure it, and a conveniently placed trellis to hold it all in place. Now all we needed was an unwitting volunteer. With the test shoot complete, we decided to shoot the real thing at night so we could use really dramatic lighting to emphasise the raindrops. A strong backlight was really key in this shot, and we used a Light Panels Gemini 1x1 at around 5600 Kelvin for this. And what this would do is really illuminate the raindrops against the black backdrop and also act as a bit of a hair and a rim light to bring the singer out against the dark background. Our key light was a Light Panels Gemini 2x1, and we placed this at about a 45-degree angle to camera right. We wanted to make the most of this scene, so we filmed it in a few different frame rates. Our favourite result has to be the classic double speed method where you play the song back at 200% and then slow the footage down in the edit. This created an effect that perfectly fit the breakdown of the song, where the raindrops fell and the singer moved in slow motion, but her performance was perfectly in time with the song. All in all, we were super pleased with the results from the shoot and really looking forward to using the rain machine on more of our productions going forward.